Hey, this is Simon from the Brackets here back at South OC Cars and Coffee, and I am with Tom. Tom doesn't have our car of the week. He has our motorcycle of the week. Tom, what is it?
It's a 1959 BMW R50.
You know, every week I walk through the show and I'm looking for a car of the week and sort of thinking, oh, could it be this or could it be this? I walked past this thing before and I just about fell over. It is so beautiful. Let's swing the camera around and have a look. So Tom, I'm speechless. This thing is beautiful. What year is it?
1959.
59. And how long have you owned it?
I bought it in 2010. I originally bought it for parts, and then I realized that no, I think I'm going to restore it.
Okay, so
number of parts missing. Found them all.
Can we just talk about that for a moment? You were going to turn this into a donor motorcycle, and that's so hard to fathom when I look at this thing. So clearly, you brought this thing back from the grave and turned it into what it is today.
Yes.
So,
and I'm so thrilled with how it turned out, and it runs so well. It just is it's a dream to ride. It's 24 horsepower, whatever it happens to be, but it's just a blast.
So, how many parts did you have to go? Did you source everything locally, or did you have to get it from Germany?
eBay, a lot of it. I was missing
really?
the carburetors, cylinder heads, cylinders, pistons, exhaust system, air cleaner. I could go on. There were just a lot of pieces that were missing, but you know, the bones were there, and we resurrected it, and
here's the things I like about. There's a couple of standouts. First of all, anybody who's ever owned an American motorcycle or a Japanese motorcycle would know that the kickstart is on the right-hand side of the motorcycle. Whereas, look what we've got here. There's your kickstart on this side. And the other thing I want to point out, which is why I love the simplicity of simple engines. This, and correct me if I'm wrong, Tom, is the choke for the carburetor. So what it does, you slide this across and it actually causes a partial block of the air intake, which acts as a choke. And that's how chokes work on all cars, but I love the old cars, that is, but I love how simple it is. So there's your air cleaner, there's your choke, and it's bringing air on the other side, and then it's passing through this intake down into here. Now, one of the other things I'll say that a lot of people wouldn't pick, most people would go, why did they put the intake on top of the gearbox? Sitting up here, obviously this is the gearbox here. Well, the answer to that is really simple. These things were built in Germany, where the climate's cold, and of course anybody who's ever owned an old carbureted engine of any type, car, motorcycle, doesn't matter, they are pigs to get started when they're cold, and they don't run particularly well. So by building the air intake on top of the gearbox, you get the natural heat from the engine and the crankcase, of course, over here, and so the thing's going to run better, which is really cool. And the simplicity of the carburetor, one on each side. There's just something about the old BMWs of this era that it's just so special. So what other little surprises can you tell us about this motorcycle, Tom, that the average person wouldn't know?
So in this particular vintage between 1956 and 50 or 60, this was pre/2. So after that they became /2. So R50/2. So this is pre, and most of the nuts and bolts were black oxide coated.
Right.
And typically they would immediately start rusting the minute they left the dealership.
Yep.
So after that, then they switched to CAD plated parts. So every time I ride it, I bring it back home and I wipe down all the nuts and bolts with WD-40.
I was going to say.
Yep. It's good stuff.
And look at just the old speedo on it, up to 120 mile an hour. I've got to ask, how fast has this beautiful old motorcycle been?
About 65.
About 65.
Just briefly, because I'm still breaking it in.
Ah, okay.
Just briefly.
Tom, I am in love with your motorcycle. It is so beautiful. Thank you for bringing it along.
Thank you.
Very, very worthy of being our car of the week. Because you're a motorcycle of the week, should I say? Because you're motorcycle of the week, you get this Meguiar's complete kit. So you've got a polishing sponge, cleaner, wax, scratch remover, car wash, motorcycle wash, we'll call that, glass cleaner. Don't know where you're going to use the glass cleaner, maybe on the car at home, interior detail, and some hot shine foam. So
I'll be cleaning my mirrors with the glass cleaner.
There you go. See, I love the way the man. So thanks to Meguiar's for supporting us with that. But Tom,
thank you, Meguiar's.
Congratulations on such a beautiful vehicle. This is wonderful. One of the best car or motorcycles of the week we've ever had.
Thank you.